Sardinia is an Italian region located in the western Mediterranean Sea, characterized by a great variety of landscapes and natural environments, ranging from mountain peaks to white sandy beaches and crystal-clear sea waters. The history of Sardinia dates back more than 5,000 years, when the island was inhabited by the Nuragic people, a prehistoric civilization that left behind unique archaeological evidence, such as the famous Nuraghi, cone-shaped stone towers that served as centers of worship, noble residences or military defenses. Later, Sardinia was visited by the Phoenicians, the Romans, the Byzantines, the Arabs, and the Spanish, and this varied history has left an indelible imprint on the island's culture, language, and traditions. Sardinian culture is rich in traditions, customs, and legends that have been passed down for generations, such as traditional music, tenor singing, parade dancing, and the handicraft production of textiles, ceramics, and wooden objects. Sardinian gastronomy is equally varied and tasty, based on simple and natural ingredients, such as lamb, pork, fresh pasta, carousel bread, pecorino cheese, and seasonal vegetables. Typical dishes include Sardinian suckling pig cooked in the pit, porcetto, mallorettis, sidas, and pane frattau. Sardinian suckling pig cooked in the ditch is an ancient and typical Sardinian culinary tradition. This culinary practice consists of cooking the suckling pig inside a ditch dug in the earth, which is then covered with myrtle branches or lentisk leaves to create a sort of natural oven. The suckling pig is prepared and seasoned with a mixture of traditional spices and herbs, such as garlic, rosemary, sage, chili and other herbs, and is then cooked slowly at a low temperature for about 4 to 6 hours, until the meat is tender and succulent. This traditional cooking practice, which requires a great deal of patience and attention, is often associated with Sardinian festivals and celebrations, such as the feasts of San Giovanni or village festivals, and is considered a culinary art to be handed down from generation to generation.
un'amica o che posa, chiama e non si inteso, porgiamo e non si inteso, porgiamo e non si inteso. Inite posato feso, inite posato feso, promo usare malurato, promo usare malurato. Inite posato feso, inite torto scalefatto, posa po' male faria, posa po' male fallì, avanzare non ti mela, avanzare non ti mela.
Sardinian suckling pig cooked in the ditch is a typical Sardinian dish, appreciated for its unique flavor and tenderness, and represents one of the many culinary traditions that make Sardinia unique and fascinating.
A chi a puro canto dedicato, dolente lo presenti Sardarin. Di la ere pensato dei prima, di la ere pensato dei prima, amore non stai a domandare. Deo de te mi sono innamorato, Deo de te mi sono innamorato, creine de maere tempestem. Ti crei a toccate la presenza, ti crei a toccate la presenza, però m'ha ingannato l'apparenza.
Ichnos Cooking thanks you for watching and invites you to register so you don't miss our videos.